Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to download Duolingo app on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the App Store. Then click on the search button at the bottom right. If you're on today, then click on search. Then go ahead and search for Duolingo. Then select it. Now once you see the Duolingo app, click on it. Then go ahead and click on get. And then hang on. Once you click on get, you'll be prompted to tap install from the screen. Go ahead and click on that and then confirm your Apple ID password or double tap the side button if that is prompted. And after that, just go ahead and click on sign in. Once you click on the sign in button, then hang on, then it should say approved and the Duolingo app will start installing on your iPhone and then you are good. So you need to hang on for the Duolingo app to install on your iPhone before you can open it. So if you come to your app menu, then you're probably going to see the Duolingo app once the installation process is completed. So you can monitor the Duolingo app here. You can see, you can pause and then resume. And that is it. So that's exactly how to download the Duolingo app on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.